The awesome thing about this is it makes the person working with the horse so much more confident. Since they're not the one in the saddle, and they're not going to feel the repercussion or lose their seating or fall off, it's a lot easier for them to make the right choice. Whenever they're riding the horse, if that horse makes a quick turn back or throws a little crow hop in there or throws a little buck, a lot of times they'll release the pressure of whatever they're asking the horse to do, which will create a bad habit. Whenever you're long lining, you're so far away from what's going on that you're not affected, and it keeps you very clear-minded. So you see him here just taking a little relaxed walk. We're gonna take that because this is his bad side, seems like. We're just gonna let him relax and walk. He stops on us. We'll add some pressure by clicking to him.